Are you looking to fill a gap in your collection? Or perhaps you're new to collecting and need a hand getting started? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can swap your coins with other collectors and become a numismatic pro. With hundreds of different commemorative coins out there, it doesn't take long for all sorts of designs to turn up in your change once you start looking out for them. But how do you get hold of those rare coins that are harder to find in the wild? And what should you do with those duplicates that you find? Our Change Checker web app is your one-stop shop for swapping your coins with other collectors and finding out everything you need to know about the coins you find in your change. On the app, head to the swap center and simply list the coins that you wish to swap, sit back and let Change Checker do the hard work. You'll be presented with a list of potential swaps you might be interested in, and once you've chosen the one that's right for you, you can get in touch to arrange your swap. Remember to always follow our safe swapping rules when using the web app. This includes packaging your coins securely and obtaining proof of postage to ensure the swap is successful. And before you know it, your coin will be with you. You can also use our Change Checker community group on Facebook to swap your coins with others. Nearly 12,000 friendly collectors are waiting to help you find the coins you're looking for. So there's how to safely swap your coins using either the Change Checker Swap Center or our Facebook community group. Happy swapping! If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos from us. Thanks for watching everyone, I'll see you next time.